Hey folks, a lot of people have been asking me this week, for some reason, I don't know what's changed, where should I invest my money? Some people are saying, should I buy a business? Others are saying, well, do you think I should be going into shares or buying real estate? And I ask all of them the same question when they seek my guidance. Number one, I tell them, hey, listen, I'm not a financial planner, so I can't give you financial advice. But then I ask them the question, how much have you actually invested in yourself? What's the budget that you do put into learning new things, developing new skills? And time after time, usually that budget is pretty close to zero. Why am I bringing this up? Well, many years ago, I was working my butt off thinking I knew everything as an electrician. And, you know, I was lucky to be making $50,000 a year. I was putting in serious hours trying to grow my business, and I was doing it for nearly 15 years. But one thing happened which actually changed everything for me, and that is that I saw this thing called a Money Expo in Darling Harbour, and luckily I met my first business mentor. His name was Mal Emery, and he started teaching me some skills when it came to marketing, to sales, to business. And that is where I made my first investment on my property over the last year. How cool is that? And that's really cool, and I take my hat off to you. But when you develop skills in, say, sales, marketing, business optimization, many of the time you invest, say, $10,000 in a marketing campaign and you may get $100,000 back. I mean, it happens every minute of the day. And so, I don't know, what's that, 1,000% return on your money? So where I'm coming from is, look, yes, you should be putting your money into smart investments and seek expert advice. But what I do want you to understand is that there are people out there that are earning incredible incomes, far more than you possibly could imagine. And many of them never went to university. All they did was learn some street smart skills. And, you know, in my opinion, the highest paying skills on the planet are sales, marketing, and business optimization. So if you want to develop these types of skills, that's probably the very best investment, in my opinion, that you could make. And if you'd like to learn how to develop those skills, it just so happens that I have an on-demand training that shows you how it is possible and how many people that I've taught from all walks of life have built 6- and 7-figure incomes as business consultants. It's a public track record. So if you'd like to learn some of these skill sets and start having more control over the sort of income that you'd like to have, well then check out the on-demand training. It's at streetsmartbusinessadvisors.com.au. You're just going to see some very practical things that I share there with you on how you really can develop these skill sets without spending 4 years at uni, and very quickly start generating income levels that you probably never thought possible. I do hope to meet you and talk to you one day. Bye for now.